More words and phrases. New terms, phrases, and acronyms are constantly emerging across social networks. Businesses trying to grow online can find it difficult to keep up, but find that it's an essential element of doing business in the digital age. Watch the video of these words and phrases and repeat as many times as needed to practice your pronunciation and comprehension.
Viral. Anything shared across social networks that gets passed along rapidly. Videos are a great example. Platform. A system that manages content. Authentic. Used to describe real people behind blog posts and other social profiles. Influence. Influencer. An individual's importance online. B2B. Business to business. B2C. Business to consumer. Search engine optimization, SEO. The process of organizing your website to give it the best chance of appearing near the top of search engine rankings. Transparency. Social media users expect to engage in considerate online conversations with individuals and businesses. Web 2.0 refers to the second generation of the web, which means people now blog and create websites without needing specialized technical knowledge and training. Internet of Things, IoT. A system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, objects, animals, or people that are provided with unique identifiers, UIDs, and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human-to-human or human-to-computer interaction. Synergy. Teamwork between companies online. Trending. A word, phrase, or topic that is popular on social media at a given moment. E-book. A book published in digital form. Wiki. Simple web pages that can be edited by other users. They usually have informational value. Blog. A site updated frequently by an individual or group to record opinions or information. User-generated content, UGC. UGC is anything published online by the average Joe. Microblogging. Short message postings from a social media account. Algorithm. An algo is a system that suggests pages to search engines in response to a search query. Widget. A small, attractive application on a website, home screen, or desktop, such as a hit counter. Link bait. Designed to attract incoming links. News and widget hooks are good examples. Meme. A means of taking viral concepts and making them everyday lingo. Engagement. Any interaction a fan has with your social media content that shows they are interested in your post. Traffic. Refers to the visitors that visit a website. Tag. Indicates or labels what content is about or who is in it.